Okay, this is the brand new 2011 Snap-on 84-inch. What do they call this? What is
Tool
it?
chest.
Tool chest with the electronic stuff in it, where you can put all of your power tools, and you can put all of your battery chargers in there. And then there's a grid right there where you plug it in, and then out the back you got the cord, and then the cord goes into the plug. Grab the cord out of the back seat of the truck. This is a brand new unit, not a nick, scratch, or dent on it. Brand new, wholesale, $11,100 with the Snap-on top thing there. $15,000 and change retail. This is an absolutely gorgeous unit. These have the super drawers. There's the cable for the charging stuff. They have all the new liners in it. These have the nice locking systems where you walk by and not get anything caught. And then there's a lot of extra parts here. I don't know what the blue thing is for there. I think the blue thing goes here and it makes this into two. And then there's some extra shelves and a lot of extra stuff in the original book. What do we do with the book?
It's in there, underneath the blue.
Oh, there it is. This is the book with the key, Snap-on pen, all receipts, all records. How many drawers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 drawers. This is basically the biggest unit that you can get, and is top quality as you can possibly, find anywhere out there. It's got the fancy wheels on it, and this is brand new, just delivered outside of the box. And again, retail price was 15 and change. We're at 11.2, and we may put it up for sale. So if you see this video, I decided to sell it. That's it.